Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create Britney Spears Hit Me Baby One. Actually don't know where this music video is from. Is it Oops I Did It Again or Hit Me Baby One More Time? Okay, just this Britney Spears fit. I'm just going to remove everything except for the ones I did adjustments on, which is just the these two things on top. Okay, so I use these for the scrunchies, but you can just use the bow if you're too lazy to do this. Select this one here, toggle it to the first one, position the X at 0.47, Y 0.52, Z 0.56, rotate the X to 0.49, Y 0.74, and scale it to 0.29. Then for the flower, color it the same. In default, this one, position the X at 0.52, Y 0.53, Z 0.58, rotate the X to 0.47, Y 0.53, and scale it to 0.30. For the hair, I use this one because I need that hair tie-ish, and I just colored it this color. And then for the bow, I just use a darker pink for this. Then for the bangs, I use this one that's split in two in only bangs. And then I use this the same color. For the top, I'm going to use this one in the second toggle in white. Also, you don't need VIP unless you want the same skirt. Grab this and color it black and opaque. And then we're going to grab these Mary Janes. I'm just going to color it black too. And then for the jacket, I just use this one. I think I'll just do a darker gray actually, and then in white. And then for the skirt, I did use a VIP item. I think I'm going to make the jacket a little bit brighter actually. I use this one in skirt only, but you can use these skirts outside of VIP if you'd like to. Let me just make the jacket a little bit lighter actually, and then the skirt the gray color, maybe like this. And that's pretty much it. Super cute. Again, you don't have to use the same skirt I have here, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.